Did you know that you could be great at sales and get great results when it comes to sales without having to take all these great classes? And even if you don't have the ability to be a master manipulator with your words, you know, a lot of people think that they have to be this greasy hair sales car guy and tell you all the things that they want to know and try to convince you to buy something that you don't need. And that's the challenge when it comes to sales. A lot of people have a very bad view of what sales is. But I want to introduce you to 3 things that you could do right now to master sales. Hi, my name is Coach Joe with Action Coach South Kansas City, and I want to share with you 3 things you could do to master your sales immediately. The first one is to be fast. Let me emphasize on that really quick. Studies have proven that 50% of your clients will choose you if you are the first one to get back to them. Dude, that is freaking crazy. 20 years ago, that was not the case. People love to shop around. But now with a very impatient society, people want the first person that gets back to them, and they're willing to pay premium if that's the case. So sales tip number 1 is be fast to respond. Be fast to acknowledge that you got an email or a request. You don't have to give them the price right away, but if you're the first person to reach out to them, you probably have a good chance to close that deal. The second tip is to learn how to ask great questions and pause. Let me emphasize on that. People don't care about you or how good you are or your track record of sales. They simply care about if you care about them. There's a thing called WIFM, what's in it for me. They want to know that you understand their pain, you understand their problem, and that you have the best solution. So learn how to ask questions and pause and be patient. Let them answer those questions. And from the answers, give them good solutions. And the last one is, it's so simple. Ask for the business. Most salespeople don't get the business, but they do a great presentation simply because they don't ask for the business. A lot of clients that want to pay are just waiting to be led to the water, right? Like that old saying, you can't get a horse to drink, you could just lead them to the water. Well, it's the same way with clients. Learn to ask for the business. If you feel like you asked the right questions, you've identified their pains, you've overcame the right type of objections, just ask for the business. And it could sound, or it could be done without saying, can I have the business? Let me give you an example. Where do we go from here? That's one great way of asking for the business. Or you could be very direct. Look, I think that what we have for you is the right solution. You've even agreed that this is the right solution. Let's go ahead and get started, shall we? That is a very great way to ask for the business. So those are 3 things that you could do immediately to start mastering sales and become a very, very good salesperson. Stay strong. If you found this video to be very helpful, you should check out this video.